So I don't know about you, but I'm not really someone that gets excited when I have low followers on Instagram. So today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get free Instagram followers. So let me just open it up and show you guys. So here's my profile. You can see I've got 877 followers. It's a decent amount, no one's going to be like writing a book about me, but anyway, down here is the button because we're actually using the Instagram mod. And with this button, there will be a option to add 10,000 followers for free. It sounds crazy, but I'm going to press unlock and you guys can't dispute the evidence you're about to see. So afterwards, I will be showing you guys how to download this little app here. And bang, guys, they're already going up. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to show you guys how to get free followers just like this. So crazy. So I did put 10,000. So let's see if it actually reaches 10,000 followers. That's going to be wild, bro. All the girls are in my DMs now. So let's see if this goes to 10,000. All right, 4,000. All right. I'm just hoping to get a couple more, trying to get that full 10,000. So we're at 5, so we're halfway there. I had 877 to begin with, which is kind of cheating, but regardless, I should see 10,000 soon. So it is working, so let's see what happens. All right, I'm going to end the video now and just show you guys how to download it, but let's just give it a second to max out here. As you can see, that is crazy, bro. 8,000 followers for free, and I didn't have to follow anyone. All right, we're almost at 9,000 now. That's crazy, bro. Okay, we're going to hit 10,000. I'm pretty confident about that. And, oh my, yes, it worked. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So let's get into the video. So first thing we're going to do is go to this website. It's called matrixmods.com. So on this site, just type in Instagram and you should see it. So this is the one, I think. I'm not sure. There might be another one in here. No, that's the only one. So this is the Instagram mod for free followers. So press download, and then the next thing you have to do is the verification. So this is pretty easy. You just have to download 2 different apps from the App Store. They're all free, 100% free, and this will get you the free followers. So I'm going to wait for it to load and just show you guys how it works. So as you can see, it's going to say missing files or whatever, so you just want to download some of these apps. You don't have to do all of them, but you can see right here, like Lucky Match says reach level 13, so it's a game, so I could do that. Or I could do like Mode Casino. There's so many of these guys. There's also going to be different ones depending on your country, so just do 2 of them. And if you press help, you can watch a video, so that might help you understand things more than me. But yeah, get the word out, bro.